Hello Team Balance, it is time for another quick training video. So today I just wanted to chat with you very quickly about how to sell more upgraded kits. Okay, so an upgraded kit is something that only a person who is signed up as a promoter can purchase. And right now we want to sell as many as possible. Always we want to sell as many as possible. But what is motivating this particular video is that we have a bonus attached to selling those called double triples. I don't want to talk too much about that because I don't want to date this video. I want to make it all about how to sell the promoter packs. And not just the promoter packs, but the upgraded kits. So let me explain. We have 3 different upgraded kits. One is called a starter kit. It is $200. Another one is $400 and it is called the promoter kit. All right. And then the third one is $800 and it is called the VIP kit. Let me briefly explain those and then tell you how to sell them. Okay. So the starter kit is $200 and it is great for anybody who is just ready to get started as a promoter and learn how to be successful. I want you to focus on the learn part, all right? Because a lot of people are afraid that if they start this business, they're not gonna know what to do. And we want to teach them. And we have attached all of the access to our education to purchasing these kits. That's very important when you're trying to sell them because people are gonna look at that starter kit and they're gonna see, well, you know, that's the same amount of stuff that I get as a customer for $150. Why would I pay $200? Here's why. So when you start your business, you're making an investment. I want you to use the word investment. You're investing $200 to start your business, but also to get all the products that you're gonna need for your entire month. Plus, you will gain access to all of our education. Hannah and Brittany, okay? Hannah Rain, Brittany Plunkett, they're our 200Ks. They run the Facebook page, Team Strong and Courageous. They put on 11 optional Zooms. That's in addition to what I offer throughout the week. 11 additional optional Zooms where people can learn about what they're doing, about how to sell, about specific things. They can learn about it during those Zooms. And a lot of people value that. When you're trying to sell a starter kit, the $200 kit, I want you to focus on that. They're getting their product, they're starting their business, and they're gaining education to anything they want, to 11 optional Zooms, some in the morning, some at night. They cannot access that until they purchase that starter kit, one of the upgraded kits. Why would we do that? Well, I mean, it's to help you sell them. I want you to show the value of getting the product, starting a business, and getting the education you need. Okay, that's something they started doing a few months ago, and it has proven very useful for me because I focus on that. I'm like, this is what you're getting in addition to your product. Now, the promoter kit is the most popular kit, okay? So it's the middle, it's the $400. Why is it the most popular? Because it's the greatest value. At the $200, they're not getting really anything extra other than starting their business and the education, okay? At $400 with that promoter kit, they're getting $719 worth of product. So they're starting a business, they're saving $300, they're getting a free product of their choice, and 10 mail-out samples, and access to the same education. That is the best investment they're gonna make. If you haven't made that, you need to make that investment. People show up for what they pay for. When people choose to make a $400 investment, they're gonna show up to learn about how to work that business. And that is gonna be very good for you, okay? The $800 VIP, they're harder to sell. It's $800. Who is this for? That is for a business person, a person who truly sees the value of this business. Okay? You want to explain to them that's $1,300 worth of product. They're saving $500 right off the top. They're gonna have enough for themselves, for samples, for a spouse, They're going to have plenty. They're going to get that. They're going to get access to the education. They're going to get 30 mail out samples. They're going to get 2 free products. Okay? But then they're also going to double their downline commission. Instead of getting paid 4%, they're going to get paid 8% for 4 months. Someone coming into this with the vision of building a business is going to be interested in that. Do not be afraid of mentioning it. A lot of times promoters are like, oh, I don't know, $800 is a lot of money. I don't even want to mention it to them. You don't know where their head is. You don't know why they're after this. People do have $800 to invest in a business. Trust me, they're doing it all the time. But remember, you need to sell that value. And a lot of people are going to see the value of doubling that downline commission. It's of no use if they're not going to add people. It's of no use if they're not going to try to build their business. But if they're truly going to try to bring in promoters to work this business, they're doubling their commissions. P.S. For any of you who have been here under 60 days, might be 30 days, I'll check on that. You can do that as well. Okay, so if you're a new promoter, you can do that and double your downline commission. So whenever you're trying to sell these promoter packs, I want you to put on your business face. I want you to be confident in what you're selling because it is a great value. $400 to get your product plus samples, $719 worth of stuff, plus you start your business, plus you get the education. That's a no-brainer. Okay, that's great. But they're not going to believe it unless you do. So a lot of times I find that the reason people are not selling promoter packs is because they're not trying. It's because they're afraid of it. And I don't mean that in an insulting way. I mean like they're afraid that they're going to push people away with those numbers. Okay, don't make assumptions about people or what they are willing to invest. So I hope this helps you sell a few promoter packs. If you are watching this and we are in the promotion of double triples, understand that when you sell $1,200 worth of promoter packs, you will double your commission on those promoter packs. When you sell $1,600 worth of promoter packs, you will triple your commission on those promoter packs. So it's a great way to make yourself a wonderful bonus. All right, have a wonderful day. I hope this was helpful.